We got some winter weather coming into North Texas. First off, that warm day that you enjoyed today, it's leaving. It will not be back this week. We have temperatures dropping, in fact, in the morning tomorrow with a cold front coming through. So if you're out early, temperatures will be in the 50s. But by the time you get out of morning service, say, or by 10 o'clock, temperatures will be colder. They will have dropped down at least into the mid-40s, in some areas down into the low 40s. We figure there'll be a little bit of a rebound as we get into the afternoon tomorrow. We'll get into the 50s. There's a little bit of rain in the forecast. Both the front comes in the morning, then the rain chance is pretty small, but it's like mid-morning to around the lunch hour, and then that will leave and the sun will break out a little bit. There's a 40% chance of rain on Monday. We're watching Monday very carefully right now. There's some forecast modeling that suggests we could have some freezing rain on Monday, but right now we're talking about not enough to be a problem. Tuesday is our first alert weather day, the first of two, because we think we will see some freezing rain and rain inside the Metroplex on Tuesday morning. So here's the latest forecast model. There's several to look at. This is the one that I had the best feeling for as far as what I think is ahead. I think on Monday as the rain breaks out, it is freezing rain, mineral wells over across parts of Wise County. But then as we get into the day, it's mostly rain. And that's the trend you'll see for several days in a row. The freezing threat will be in the morning, then it's a cold rain in the afternoon. Tuesday, the same thing. We wake up and we've got rain going on around the Metroplex, but over in Tarrant County and up in Denton County, this could be rain, freezing rain mix, and it's all freezing rain in that same northwest corner. And you can see by the noon hour, we start to see that changeover, and then it gets very light amounts, so it wouldn't really amount to much. Then we go to day 3 of it. And day 3 looks like a big icing event is possible in that northwest county corridor, Young Stevens County. It will change over to a heavy rain to help the roads a little bit, but some of that heavy rain will probably get into the Metroplex as well. We could end up with 1 to 2 inches of rain by the end of the week. Monday, cold rain, freezing drizzle up from starting around Bridgeport up into Bowie. You can see Monday night and Tuesday, that chance gets into the Metroplex. This is the highest risk of ice for the Metroplex. It probably will be a cold rain Tuesday night and Wednesday across the Metroplex, but I'm still thinking there's going to be ice threat across those northwest counties, and it's going to end up to have some travel problems there. Here's a 7-day forecast, a lot to look at. First, you see a lot of rain chances, and this is freezing rain and rain. Notice we get at freezing or below a couple of mornings, like Monday morning and Tuesday morning. Also notice the highs. I mean, we are into winter. We're going to have temperatures either in the 40s or 30s for the rest of the week. By the time we get to Friday and Saturday, it's all over. We'll warm up and get into the 50s.